How to enable grid level in the camera app on your iPhone. If you want to keep your photos perfectly straight and level, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Camera. Now, scroll to the Composition section. Turn on the Level toggle. If you haven't already, you can also enable Grid to display grid lines in the camera app for better framing. Once you've enabled these options, open the Camera app. When taking a photo, your iPhone will display a level indicator that helps you align the shot. When the indicator turns yellow and lines up, your camera is perfectly level and ready to capture a straight photo. And that's all there is to it. Your iPhone will now help you take more balanced and accurately aligned photos every time you use the camera app. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.